Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Glovo account in Italy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first step is to open up a web browser and go to glovoapp.com/it. Now we need to start the sign up process. So once you're on this page, we need to go ahead and click onto the login button. Don't worry, we're not logging in. This is going to create our account as well. So we've got a few different ways how to do this. We can enter our phone number, or we can sign up using our Google account, Facebook account, or email. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign up using my Google account. I'm going to click continue. Now it's going to go ahead and start up the process of creating our account for Glovo. Then from here, we need to go ahead and set your delivery address. So Glovo will ask for your delivery address. So put in your address here. You can go ahead and use your current location. So enter your street, city, and postal code. Now from there, you might need to verify your account. So Glovo may send a confirmation code via email or SMS. Enter the code to verify your account. Now, once verified, you can start browsing restaurants, stores, and delivery options. You can also download the Glovo app for a smoother experience.